In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to hit System. Then click on Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard on the left. Following that, choose Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip: if you decided you do want to use autocorrection, I always recommend to click on it on the left and use this switcher next to Undo Autocorrect on Backspace to enable or disable this option. Personally, I really like it, but if you want, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!